Hey everyone, it's finally summer and today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect pina colada. I'm going to make today a frozen one and we need a blender, we need 1 cup of ice, white rum, pineapple. I'm making my pina colada with a fresh pineapple instead of pineapple juice and I'm going to show you later why. And cream of coconut. So let's place the blender here. We're going to add the ice. We're going to pour 2 ounces of white rum and then we're going to get ready the pineapple. So cut the pineapple. So here you're gonna need 1 good big slice pineapple. You're gonna cut the green, cut the pineapple in cubes. You're gonna put it in the blender and let's add the cream of coconut, 1 ounce. Okay, let's close it and then turn it on. Okay, I just want to show you how it looks like. This is the way how it should look like, perfectly like a slushy. And then you need a hurricane glass and let's pour it inside. See how beautiful it is? And this is the perfect pina colada. Let's get a piece of pineapple for garnish. And then let's put this piece of pineapple here. Don't forget to garnish with the pineapple leaf. And there you have the perfect pina colada. It's so fresh and refreshing. It's perfect for the summer hot days. And let's try it out. This is absolutely amazing. It's like a tropical island in a glass, and you should definitely try it.